Okay, problem 1248. At the instance shown, cars A and B are traveling at the speed shown. So B is traveling this direction, A is turning the corner. At that instant, we have a 45-degree angle. The radius of the turn is 100 meters, and it has a velocity of 20 kilometers per hour. Now, B is accelerating at 1,200 kilometers per hour squared. Not our typical units, but we'll work with it. While A maintains a constant speed. So A has a constant speed, although that doesn't mean it doesn't have an acceleration because it's turning. So we're going to have some v squared over r going on. Determine the velocity and acceleration of A with respect to B. So we're going to use, we'll start out with V. So VA, okay, at that point in time, it's going at 20 kilometers per hour, and we have a 45-degree angle, which means this component is 14.1 and this component is 14.1 also. So VA is negative 14.1 in the I and positive 14.1 in the J. VB is 65 in the I, positive I direction. So using the equation, VB equals VA plus VB respect to A. B is 65 in the I. A is negative 14.1 in the I plus 14.1 in the J plus VBA. Subtracting over to the left side, we'll add 14.1 to 65 gives us 79, dropping the 1. It's minus 14 equals V in the J, VB with respect to A. Okay, and then it says it doesn't ask for the magnitude, so we'll leave the velocity there. And now we'll look at acceleration. So the acceleration of A is going to be v squared over r in that direction. So the direction is 45 degrees in that direction, and the magnitude is v squared over r. And v is 20 squared, and r is 100 meters. Now, let's keep our units straight. This is 20 kilometers per hour, and this is 100 meters. So let's put a 0.1 for the radius, a tenth of a kilometer, which gives us 400 kilometers per hour that direction, hour squared. Okay, so the acceleration that way and that way is 0.707 times 4,000, which comes to 28, 28, 28, 28. So AA is 28, 28 in the positive I plus 28, 28 in the positive J. AB is, looking up at the problem, 1,200 kilometers per hour squared. So 1,200 kilometers per hour squared in the positive I direction. So AB is equal to AA plus AB with respect to A. Substituting this in there, we have 1,200 in the I equals 28, 28 in the I, plus 28, 28 in the J, plus A, B with respect to A. Subtracting these two over to the left side, and now we have negative 16, 28 in the I, right? 28, 28 minus 1200, minus 28, 28 in the J equals A, B with respect to A. It does not ask for magnitude, so we are done.